three. Let's go.
Yes, it's right.
Lead on me! Lead on me!
1, 2, 3, lead!
Hey, SoCal me. Matt.
Keep communicating back there, guys. Make sure you're talking. Hey, Doug. Don't just nuke it. Don't just nuke it. Find someone.
Julian, tighter to the line and press it. Tighter. Tighter. All the way on the corner and press hard. Matt. Matt, step up. Watch line right here, Matt.
Except Logan, Simon's you were in the starting lineup.
No, I was out. I was on the bench. You
David, starting lineup. How do you start?
Wait, give me a few minutes.
Come on, let's call that.
Beef, come on, man. Nah, now you gotta go. At least one.
You gotta release the ball quick. Put it back into the box. Put it back into the box. Jackson, he's hustling. Jackson, slow him down. Good. Good job, Jackson.
Run around him, yes. You're waiting.
Hey, look at Agent. Look at Agent.
Down. Top.
Flick it.
Good idea. That's not a bad idea, but remember, you're the middle guy. Let's go to your outside more.
Good, Jackson.
Good, Pennis.
He should be taking the throw-in.
Agent, on the throw. You're on the throw.
All right, Preston, just stay here. Preston, now we got a 2v2.
On your toes!
Rid of it now. Pass it. It looks nice on film, but we lose the ball. No, let's go. All right, now go.
All right, hold it. It's all right.
Hey, it's our ball, boys. Let's make sure hold it.
Just hold it. Check on the player.
Boys, listen up. Hey, we gotta connect more, right? We're getting into the habit of dribbling too much, yeah?
Aiden.
Connect,
Are you
find
good?
those 1v1s, and
Aiden, when they got 3 guys on you, just find a guy to pass to.
Yes?
Good call, Carrot. Go.
Aiden, right there, we gotta be smarter. You need to step so Adrian can track back, yeah? You need to hold us up, delay, and Adrian can get back to his spot, okay?
Switch!
good, Max. Hey, your body should be sideways, Julian.
Find an option, Julian.
Interruption. Yes, Aiden.
Julian, find the simple option, yeah. Lay it back to Matt.
And then go to it.
Adrian, if they're open, then you can feel the ground on the in behind, okay? Play simple.
Inside because he'll get that off, all right? Force him to his right foot.
Let's win it, boys. Let's win it.
Transition, guys, let's go!
David, I turn around and you're looking back at them. Watch the game. Down line, down line.
You're going to take it, Matt. You got to get back quick. Doug, right in the middle of the circle. Go, drive!
Good job, Matt.
Slow him down. Good. Preston, take a heavier touch straight forward and then run onto it. Touch hard forward like 5-10 yards and then you run onto it. You got the speed, dude. Just you gotta get a little bit harder touch on it.
Yes, good idea, boy.
That's all right. Reset it, guys. Reset it. Manny, slide this way. The ball's on this half, Manny. Yeah.
Matt, start moving forward a little more. Defense! Defense! Listen up! We defend right, we still go forward, but we defend with a little more integrity now, yeah? We still go forward, we still keep our shape, right? We just transition hard when we defend, yeah? Man on. Play him down line, Adrian. Nice and easy. Good.
Get back, Jackson. Slow him down, Jackson. Yes, Jackson.
Good idea. It's all right. Let's go back now. Come on. Take that, Matt. Take that. Hey, don't let him get inside you, Matthew. Come on.
Hustle, dog. It's all right. Good hustle.
That's what you've been doing, right? That touch and then connect. Aiden, find my easy option.
No, I'm actually out there, football player.
Tall guy sends a keeper.
Angel, Aiden, and Preston.
Win it, boys. Let's win it.
Aiden, we're going forward too much. Slow us down,
Back
right?
to Cam.
Connect laterally, connect square,
Doug.
connect negatively, yeah?
Doug, where'd you go? Doug, left mid. Jackson, stopper. Yeah, Jackson, stopper. Left mid, Doug. Who's my left back? Ramil, left back. Ramil, all over 19, dude. Get one back, boys. Get one back right now.
Adrian, Aiden, remember, just drop in, cover that space, yeah?
That's good right there, Ramil. That's good right there.
Julian, you can hold there. You can hold there, you're fine.
Switch it, Doug.
Love the way that kid plays. That's how all my games want to hit that.
Let's go.
Don't let him go down line. Good, Julian. Keep it in, keep it in. Settle us down, Matt. Settle us down, Adrian.
Come on, Matt. There you go. Good hustle, Matt. Good, Ollie.
Time. You're fine. Look down line. Julian, get down.
Adrian, let's send him, huh, buddy? There's no need to risk it there. No one behind you.
Drop in. Adrian, tuck in. Right? Look at the options. Be careful. Adrian, just get us down line right now.
Matt, guard someone, Matt. Doug, we need you dropping. Remember, Doug, as soon as we get the ball, you widen out. Watch the middle.
Doug, man behind you!
He goes, next thing, ball.
Doug, open up now. Matt, just go and foul him or something. Commander sub.
Stop, man. Aiden.
Aiden, come here.
Just for a second, I got to figure out where I can put you back in.
Win it, Matt, win it.
it, cross it! See the switch! Now start to run. Switch! That should be my cam!
Hey, pressure,
Matt!
pressure.
Get over!
Go, Green!
Right here, Matt. Oh. Preston, just start your run, dude. Quick it!
Adrian, Manny, it could only be one of you. Adrian, Manny, that could only be one of you.
Widen!
You're good. You're good. You got him, Matt.
Play back.
Good, Matt. That's
Send it, Ramil.
excellent defense, Matt. Watch your outside shoulder now, Matt. You're going to have two.
You're not going to dribble them out!
Aiden, you want to go back
Balance there, bud. Try to get balance there. You have a little more time, buddy. Good job, though. Good idea.
Diagonal, Matt.
You had already beat him, right? So catch your balance there. Drop.
Go, 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 go! Oh!
Adrian.
That was all ankle and ball at the same time.
Adrian, don't respond to anything over here, okay? That's you, Matt. Challenge card, Matt. Good, Matt.
Let him turn now, Preston. Don't let him turn.
Good. Excellent.
Sorry, that's out.
That's all right, Matt. Hey, Matt,
Can I do sub? Can I do sub? Matt! Wait, we'll just wait for Matt.
That's up.
Manny, the ball's over here, dude. The ball's over here. You're in Jaden's spot.
Adrian, slide over just slightly so if he wraps behind, you're covered.
Nice, Julian, again.
Still in, it's still in.
Matt, sit in between the two high guys. Right in the middle, you beat them to the ball, or you hold them up, okay?
Yes, man!
Get ready, fall back! Fall back, boys!
Carry it.
Just delay, Matt, just delay. You, Matt.
Good, Adrian. Somebody cover him.
Transition, guys, transition!
I like the idea.
Manny, face!
Preston, be there for him, Preston. Oh, shit! Manny, that's the shot, dude.
Manny,
Adrian,
transition better.
Transition
better, yeah.
I need you involved on that ball. Somebody's got to go for the header. Whether it's you or Logan, somebody drops off, somebody gets the header.
Adrian, sideline.
job, Ollie. Can I get a sub?
Manny! Organize me. Let's go. Organize. Organize.
Never mind.
Organize. Get Marks going. Let's
You ready,
go.
Max?
As high as you can be.
Manny! Get out of the box. Get even with the ball.
Manny,
Guys, crash
even
hard.
with the wall, as high out as you could be. Hey,
Hey, bring your
hey,
team
hold
out,
the
bud.
same
Bring
line.
your team
Hold
out.
the same line, Matt. With the wall, yeah? Hey, one unmarked in the back. Matt, Matthew, in the back. Adrian, more central.
Running in. He's running in.
Fudge!
Me too.
How did we not get that one?
Same feeling right here.
That's a good ball, guys.
Well, a little bit in front of him.
Adrian,
Put it back in, guys. Put it back in.
Max, if you're gonna play long, you need to push us up.
Good job, buddy.
Yeah.
Guys, give me someone to pass to. All right. Good.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Stay safe. Even if you push
Next
back.
subs, guys. Next subs. Up.
Yeah, keep going.
I got Matt staying for now. Yeah, then the rest of you know where you're going, yeah?
Let's keep hitting that line, buddy. You're not too soon.
Matthew, where do you need to be?
Come on, man. Let's go.
Go, Ken.
Good play, boys. Good play, boys.
That's what I want. That's what I want.
Aiden! You didn't touch it. Aiden, Jalen! Jackson, Ollie! Eddie, drop over to right mid. Let's get some crosses in, dude. Let's score one right now, Eddie.
Hey, coach, what's the person?
Striker. Jackson, how you guys doing? Good job, Ollie.
Ready? Adrian, I need you tracking back more, right?
That's us.
Be ready to go back in. Me? Yeah, just in case. No, I think you're done.
Let's go! Hey, Julian! Get back there on the right, the corner!
Adrian, Munoz, one of you needs to hold centrally. We can't be both on the sideline. Defensively, right? We need a defensive presence in the midfield.
Remember, Doug, your cam,
Julian, out here. Adrian, down line.
No skip on. That's fine.
Gotta fight for it, though, boys. You gotta want it. That's you, David. That's you.
Force him in direction. Good. That's fine.
Give him someone.
You're faster. Pressure it in. Julian,
I mean, it is the
switch sides with
SoCal
Aiden.
Elite team, so
Hurry up, hurry up, hurry up.
a little hard.
Hey, watch your man! Hold on! Hold on!
Come on, Preston. You good? Good off, thank you, off. Let's go, boys. We don't got much time. Let's go, boys.
David, let's go back. Let's win it. Let's win it now, boys.
Guys, push
Hey,
up.
drop off. Turn around.
Pass it to where he was supposed to be. Pressure it! Manny, he can hold it there the whole time. Come on,
Max,
boys.
quick.
He's counting,
Get Manny.
he's counting, he's counting.
Who's the goalie coach?
Minute. Oh,
Be
get
fast, boys. Be fast.
ball. I
Man
want to
on,
see
man
go
on.
through these
Protect
guys.
the ball.
Oh, you taught him that, dude?
Go through
Really?
these guys, win those balls.
Aiden again now.
Again, keep going.
Cole, help him out, Cole.
Matt,
Adrian.
drop in. Matt, cover Adrian. Matthew, cover Adrian.
Rohit, take it.
One, hold deeper. One, hold deeper, hold centrally.
Go, Doug. Put this
Adrian.
in.
Adrian!
Hey,
Everybody
I
back
didn't
post.
get defensive work rate out of you in that middle space, but
Everybody
yes,
crash.
Aiden, get back. Hey, find your marks. Make sure everyone's marked up. Adrian. Adrian, number 14. David. Mark 12, Mark 12, Mark 12. Hey, Logan, Logan, Logan. In the back, number 10, number 10. Aiden, pick up 25.
Come on, guys. We got to cut to that. That was a good ball, dog.
That's what you need to do. Okay? Know exactly. That's the intensity you need to communicate. Okay?
Good job, Fred. Good job, Preston. That studs out. That was studs out.
That's on the other one.
Yeah. Well, your parents right there, the influence, but that was 100% all.
I'm gonna give him a yellow.
Ish score again.
On your back.
Protect the ball, Aiden. Protect the ball.
Good job. You got touch it.
Go, let's go.
Adrian, keep taking space forward until the ref tells you something. If he tells you something, you step back and it wastes time, right? Keep stepping back.
Oh, right here. Just throw it from right
Keep
here.
stepping forward.
Come on, you guys can beat us out, right? You don't have to waste time. Just throw it from right here. Let's go. Just gonna walk it into the goal.
Adrian.
Get it.
Intelligence. That little stuff, right? No more time.
Transition, boys. Be ready. Man, get on side. Get on side.
Do better, David.
Now work out, Julian. Now work out.
Aiden, drop hard.
Oh! Let's go, guys, quick! Eddie, that was a beautiful shot.
That's what he does.
Set it up, guys. Everyone.
Simon, get more ready quick.
Corona!
Get more,
Set
get
up
more.
now, Corona! Be ready to go as soon as he gets up. Guys, in your spot. John, your turn. Go. On the keyboard.
Good stall, bro. What a fight for that.
Get there, Renew.
Get us up, Aiden. Just hit it up.
Send it back in. Matt, send it back.
Boys, composure. Stay on our feet. Defend. What are we doing?
Keep them in.
Juan, sit deep. Juan, sit deep. Juan, you should be like 5 yards away from our back line.
Amadeus, get some composure when you go, okay? Step on the
Aiden.
ball, keep the ball.
Okay.
David.
Forward, get people connecting.
Hey, push up. Adrian, that way. Slide that way. Slide that way.
Yeah. Just
Go, guys, win this.
No, yo pensaba que quedaban 10 minutos. ¿Ya se va a acabar? Gracias.
Preston, you just gotta play the cross in. You don't even have to
Manny, step us up. Matt, you're a right wing back. Let Adrian tuck in. You play wider.
Hey, let's
One.
settle down, boys.
One. Adrian. No, not right now. Not right now. Hold the back 5.
There it is. There it is.
Knock it off, fellas. Let's go.
Go, guys, get up. Get up, go, let's line up, let's line up.
Shake their hand, guys.
Line up right here, boys, right here. Line up.
Couple of free shots at the top of the box, and you missed a couple that we could have had. Line it up, guys. Guys, line it up. Oh, wait. Yeah, we're right here. How are we supposed to do this?
So if they tie, no, once they scored, the other ones are right. Right side, left side.
Let's go. Good job, boys. Good work, man. Good work. Good work, boys. Good work. Good work, boys. Good job.